guys, welcome back to Zik, the programming guy channel. My name is Beatrice, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix Roblox dictated a security threat error. Right, so recently a lot of people have been facing that issue on Roblox, whereby you receive a message of being threatened, being dictated of a security threat error. So how are you going to fix that? First thing you need to know is you need to be sure where you got your Roblox from, right? Where you downloaded it from. If it's from Chrome or other site that is not Play Store, it will be dictated its security threat. So if you have done that already, you know the problem that you actually downloaded it from another place that is not Play Store. All you need to do is uninstall the Roblox app and try to install it from your Play Store. Just go to your Play Store and search for Roblox, and you can now install it. So after that, the next thing you have to make sure of is that you need to go and make sure you don't have any roots like, let me show you, like you do not download any roots on your Roblox app like this from here or something like this. So if you have any of that, you need to uninstall that and stop using it, right? So after doing that and it still continues to persist, all you need to do is you have to go to your phone settings and click on apps. Once you click on apps, you can now scroll down to Roblox and open that up and click on storage. Once you click on storage, you need to clear up your cache and clear up your data as well, so that you can delete everything. After doing that, you click on first stop. So once you click on that, and you need to now go on to uninstall the Roblox app, right, and install it again. So after uninstalling the app, you need to go on to restart your phone, right? Click on the restart button and restart your phone. So once you restart your phone, you come back to your Play Store and install the Roblox app again, and once you do that, it's going to be fine. If this guide was helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.